What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today we got something very special. At least for me, this is a Matchbox Convoy set, and this is kind of the last missing piece of the 70 years special editions. And when I saw this on YouTube and Instagram, I really wanted to have the set, but it was impossible to find it so far. But now I ran into a store, saw it, and yeah, it was quite expensive. I had to pay a lot of money for that. In my opinion, insane, but we will get to that in a second. So for all of you that don't know, last year in 2023, Matchbox was celebrating its 70th anniversary, and they brought out a lot of really cool diecast stuff. I tried to get everything they brought out, but unfortunately not every set arrived in my area, so I couldn't get everything, but I tried to get as much as I could. For example, these mainline models in this special color scheme, as you can see right here. This is one example, the Ford F-150 Lightning, and all the models in the background that you can see here came in kind of the same color scheme, so silver, black, orange, and white. And I really like this style. I think it looks really cool. And they come with the 70th anniversary logo for sure. The reason why I showed you this set is because it's the kind of exact color scheme, on our set here. So let's take a look at it. I have to say I really like this card art here, this autumn scene. Matches the colors on the models perfectly, in my opinion. Looking really good. I already mentioned that it was quite expensive, but let's bring in our Matchbox Cabover and the Matchbox box trailer first. So yeah, I paid 15 euros for this set, which in my opinion is insane, because basically we got, let's say, two mainline models, our Austin 64, Austin Mini Cooper, and the Matchbox Cabover and the Matchbox box trailer. So it's a lot of money. It's still a very cool display model in my opinion, with a nice deco, but a lot of money. So let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at the trailer first. Yeah, the prints on this thing look fantastic in my opinion. This Union Jack style here looks fantastic. What I don't like, I'm not sure if you can see it here on camera, we got these, I don't know how you call it, streaks or something in the plastic. Yeah, happens during production, and if you get this glossy plastic style, you can see that it doesn't look too good in my opinion, but yeah, it is how it is. The thing is, this whole trailer basically is plastic, except this part here, where the axles and wheels are attached. So yeah, a lot of plastic, and guess what? No opening parts, so you can't put anything into the trailer, which is a little bit unfortunate. And here is the Matchbox Cabover. Only the cabin is metal. The whole base is plastic. But we got some pretty nice and crisp tempos here on the side. Once again, the Union Jack Matchbox looking really good. What I don't like, and I guess it's pretty obvious, there is this huge post in the cabin, and that just doesn't look good. At least for that price, I think there could have been another solution, so that you wouldn't have to see this huge post. It just doesn't look too good. This thing is a right-hand drive, by the way, for all of you that are interested in that. So this one's really nice, but yeah, it's a lot of plastic for that price. I would say if you could get it for €8 or maybe 10 would be okay. 15 is a lot of money. I don't know if you can get this stuff in any other store cheaper. Might be then could be a good deal because it's really, really good looking. What can I say? So now, this is really cool, but then there is this one, the 1964 Austin Mini Cooper with the Union Jack on top in this 70th anniversary colors, and this, in my opinion, looks fantastic. Really, really nice. It's a pretty nice model. You get a deco on the front, some headlights. You get deco on the back. The 64 Mini license plate, I hope you can see it above. There is written Austin Cooper S, and here's the 70 years anniversary logo plus the taillights. We get a chrome base, and so we get a chrome grille and the chrome bumper on the back, and this is looking very, very good. Unfortunately, you can see here's a little scratch. I'm not 100% sure if that happened during opening. I don't think so because I'm very careful. But on the other side, there are some paint issues that definitely weren't my fault. So that's a little bit unfortunate, once again, considering the price. But yeah, let's take a look at these two together. I mean, if you put them on display, I think this is something you're pretty happy to look at every day. That's that's just my opinion. I really, really like it. It's such a cool set. Yeah. By the way, I wanted to show you some other versions of the Austin Mini Cooper. It's a very nice casting. For example, we got this version here, white with the black roof and the red interior. We got also a pink version with a white base, which is also very nice. Then we got a blue version with this, let's call it chess style roof. And then, of course, there is this one, Mr. Bean's car with the chair. And if you take a close look, the bear. This is very cool. So there are more versions for sure, but that's all that I got so far. And yeah, doesn't that look cool? But let's put our other Austin Coopers to the side for a final look at our Matchbox Convoy set in 70 years special edition deco. So yeah, there you have it, my short review of the Matchbox Convoys 70 years special edition set. I hope you did like it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, say thank you for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.